What is going on, YouTube? I'm on the way to school and apparently my fuel pump has went out. I'm sitting here waiting on my ride. What a day. What a day. I'm guessing my fuel pump went out because the car just cranks. It will not start. Pretty sure it's my fuel pump because when I turn my key on, I do not hear the fuel pump engage. What's going on, YouTube? It's the next day and I'm going to pick up my fuel pump. Just picked up my fuel pump. Cost me $152.75 from O'Reilly's. Crappy parts. Ow. Here I am today trying to replace this aggravating fuel pump. Remove my seat. Pull this flap back, and here's my fuel pump. Move this cover. Undo this connector. Okay. And suppose to hit this counterclockwise. All I did was take the end of this screwdriver, this mallet, to tap this ring off of my fuel pump. And here goes my fuel pump. There are two connectors that I will have to remove on the top of the fuel pump to remove this piece. Have it removed, place it in my bucket. Next, I'm gonna actually take out the fuel pump. Now I have my fuel pump disconnected. I disconnected those two hoses in here, this hose and this connector, and the fuel pump is out. Time to drop in the new one. So I got my new fuel pump from O'Reilly's yesterday. This is me unboxing it. This is the new fuel pump. Looks exactly the same as the old one. I spoke too soon. As I look at my old fuel pump, I don't know if this matters or not, but there's little, looks like breather holes. On this one, it doesn't have any, but we're gonna see how it goes. First thing I'm gonna do is replace this gasket. Do not want any leaks at all. Okay, I have all my hoses hooked back up. I have my connector hooked back up. Now it's time to see what she does. Let's reinstall this. Now you want to hit your lock ring back clockwise to snap it in place. I have it locked halfway on, as you can see, and I hooked my connectors back up, but I thought it was a good idea to see if she starts before I completely reassemble everything. So I guess here goes nothing. If I can find my keys. Okay, they were in my pocket. Lose my mind. Okay. I hear the fuel pump engaging. And she starts right up. And that is how you replace fuel pump on a 2009 Dodge Charger. My fuel pump has now been replaced. I had people at AutoZone telling me, oh, you're gonna need this special tool to replace your fuel pump. Man, I tried to replace mine. Don't listen to these people. Don't listen to anybody until you try it for yourself. I just replaced my fuel pump within 30 minutes, and that's with me recording included. This is an easy job. People just try to hassle you out your money. And as you can see, I replaced my fuel pump. Put my key in ignition. I hear my fuel pump engage, and my car starts. Thank you for watching. I usually don't do this, but I thought I'd pay a visit back to AutoZone, where the lady told me that my $5 mallet wouldn't help me tap off the lock ring on my fuel pump. She said it was a two-person job and it was nearly impossible without that special tool. So I'm going to return this mallet that I purchased here 30 minutes ago. Walk inside AutoZone. Return. I ended up replacing my fuel pump with just a screwdriver and a hammer. Car works perfect now. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'm out.